Oto software tutorial videos.
Hey, so good morning. This is keyboard update 7 years later. This is my beautiful keyboard. And some of you will love the condition of my mouse. Yummy. Anyways. Yeah, so this is actually 7 years later. I have a 4K camera now, so you can now enjoy this video in full 4K. This was my second best performing video with over 55,000 views. So somewhere in the world, 55,000 people have watched this video. And it has made a difference in their lives. So, 7 years later, you get the sequel, the keyboard part 2, plus the mouse. So enjoy. And oh yeah, since it's a tutorial video, interestingly enough, I just discovered that Ctrl+Escape in Windows 8 no longer opens Taskbar, but instead opens the Start menu. So this has now become a how to open the Start menu in Windows 8 tutorial. Okay, have a great day.